Hey, what's up everybody, Sami here. Today we are going to take a quick look at the Honor X40, which was just released in China yesterday. So I'm going to give you a quick English hands-on of it and compare it with the Honor X30 to see what's the upgrades and, tell my first impression about it. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. So that's the Honor X40. Let's check out this design first. So on top we have the infrared blaster and the denoise mic. Move to this side. Nothing. And here we have the SIM card tray, denoise mic, Type-C charging port, and the speaker. And moving to this side, we have the power and also the volume rocker. Yeah, this is the back design. Yeah, just check out. Yeah, this is maybe the most significant change compared to its predecessor, the X30. All right, here you go. That's the foam. My first impression is, wow, this is really a beautiful, lightweight foam. Just check it out. The thickness is 7.9 millimeters and the weight is only 172 grams. It's really lightweight. This is like a fresh water in this kind of bulky 5G phones, right? And if you want a lightweight phone, you should really consider this. That's the design. So moving to the difference between the X30 and X40, the first upgrade would be this OLED curved display. I'm not sure if you like it, but I find it's quite enjoyable than the X30. It's curved now and it has a good hand feel, at least I think so. And it supports 120 Hz refresh rate, dynamic, high, and also the standard. The highest brightness is 800 nits, so it may look not that bright, obviously. The second upgrade from the Honor X30 would be the battery. Now, the battery capacity on the X40 is 5,100 milliamp. But there is another downside is on the Honor X40 it only supports 40 watts fast charging, not like the 66 watts charge on the X30. Regarding the performance, like the hardware performance, it is still adopts the Snapdragon 695. This is an entry-level 5G processor. And if you're wondering about other specs, here you go. The resolution is 2400 by 1080p, and the RAM supports 5 gigs of expansion, Honor RAM Turbo. Lastly, let's move to the camera performance, and the setup consists of a 50 megapixel primary sensor with an f1.8 aperture paired with a 2 megapixel secondary sensor, and on the front this is a 8 megapixel snapper. I just took some photo samples and you can check them out. Alright, that's the video. Compared to the Honor X30, I think it's not a huge upgrade. It has the same chipset and some other specs. But if you want a beautiful phone that comes with a curved design, super lightweight 5G phone, then this is not a bad choice. And especially if you want an affordable phone, and that should be on your list. Though I have no idea when it will be released globally, but if it does, definitely make sure to check it out. I personally like Honor brand, and that's the video. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And Sami will see you in the next one. Bye bye.